Hello, today I'm gonna tell you guys if you are an MBBS student or intern and you're planning to come to Australia, what should be the approach so that you don't have to fail your exams, you don't have to fail your interviews, and you get your job in your first attempt. So stay tuned. For the people who don't know me, I'm Dr. Gupta. I have done my MBBS and MD medicine from a government medical college in India. Then I cleared MRCP 1, AMC 1, and right now I'm working in Australia as a registrar in internal medicine. If you also want to come to Australia and work as a doctor, I'll tell you guys life is good here, no toxicity, chill working hour, good money. If you are a medical student and haven't started your internship yet, then this is the best time to think about Australia. So what all you can do is first focus on your clinics, because these clinics are going to help you in long run all your life. So focus on your clinics, and if you want to upgrade it, you watch some videos on YouTube, especially the geeky medics. They tell you how to examine everything, and by watching their videos and practicing that on the actual patients when you are a medical student, it is gonna help you for your AMC 2 exam before you even know. So go for it. And along with that, what you have to do is participate. So where to participate? There are multiple options. First of all, you participate in the extracurricular activities, whatever you get a chance to get into. So dance, sports, debates, quiz, everything. And don't forget to take your participation certificates from them, because it's gonna look fabulous in your CV. Okay. And the second thing is, get into any workshop or CMEs that's happening around you in your college or nearby college or anywhere. Just go there, participate, and learn new things. It is gonna boost your confidence and your CV. Third thing you should do is get into research. Most of the medical students don't know this, but research is very important when you're applying for jobs. And how to go for it? Go to your seniors, especially the PG residents, your consultants, and ask them, we want to do some research on audits. If anything going on, just participate in that. Don't worry about being a fifth author or sixth author, doesn't matter. You should know that you should have the experience of research. This will look beautiful on your CV. So do these things while you're a medical student. Focus on these things. And the moment you become an intern, then comes the AMC 1 part preparation. So during your internship, what I did, I just took Amadex. There are questions on the Amadex app, like around 1500 questions, I guess. And when you practice those questions, there is explanation. So you make your own notes from those questions. So it will take around 1 to 1.5 months to complete the Amadex and prepare your own notes. Okay. So I didn't get any discount on Amadex when I was preparing, but for you guys, you can use dr.rajat in capital letters, and you will get 5 to 10% extra discount from my gift from my side. So you do that. Then you make your own notes. After that, you just keep revising those notes along with some recall questions. Where to find the recall questions? There are Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Once you start practicing those questions, you'll get to know more resources. You practice those questions. If you don't know the answer, go to your notes, read through them. And after that, you just keep on practicing. And if you see there are some topics like neonatal jaundice or some other topics that are repeated every month or every year, like in all the AMC exams, you read that topic from John Murtagh book. Don't read complete John Murtagh, just the important topics. And there is one book you should always read, is the Red Book. This is like social medicine book for Australia. It's not a big book, it's just a small book. PDF is available. You comment below, I can give you the link for my Telegram and I'll upload it there. So you read that book thoroughly, because there are some guidelines like screening guidelines for breast carcinoma, cervical cancer and things like that. It is very important. Many questions come from that book. You can't miss reading that book. So John Murdoch and Red Book are the books you can read. Once you are done with your notes, you are doing the recalls, and you have read the Red Book, you don't need any coaching for AMC 1. The passing rate for the last year AMC 1 is around 48%. So there are very high chances to pass that exam. There are like few questions, MCQ questions, you just have to clear 50% of those questions. There is no negative marking, so it's very easy exam to crack. You can crack it in 3 to 4 months, but you have whole internship to prepare for it. So don't fail, because you won't fail. Okay, so just pass this exam, and after that you book your AMC 2 as soon as possible. Even for AMC 2 you don't need any coaching. You just have to watch the videos you already watched from Geeky Medics and other YouTube resources, and you just have to know the pattern, like what kind of questions they ask. There are lots of YouTube videos on the internet that you can know the pattern of AMC 2. Otherwise I'll make a video specifically for AMC 2, and maybe I can teach you for free on YouTube how to prepare for AMC 2. AMC 2, you'll pass it, and then by the time you pass these exams, you have your interviews. And remember, you already prepared your CV with extracurricular activities and some CMEs, workshops. Your CV looks good. You have passed your AMC 1, AMC 2. The high chances you're gonna get selected, but for interview there are some specific questions. I have also posted a video how to prepare for an interview after your exams. You just watch that video, and for this interview, before the interview you can book a session with different experts including us, because we are gonna start that to to boost your morale, to practice. We can take your interview and guide you like where you are lacking, because there are some things you should know before going for an interview to nail it. And the good part is, if you're watching this video and you comment here, in few weeks we're gonna select one candidate who is gonna get a free one-to-one session with me and Arushi for their guidance. It's a totally free of cost, and the lucky winner is gonna comment here, and let's see, whenever you wanna get it in the coming 3 months, 6 months, even 1 year, you got it. We will give you a free session. So you comment here, spread some love, subscribe, and ask your questions. Just comment here and let me know. All the best.